Good morning. Grabe, sarap na tulog ko kanina. Tapos ganito makikita mong view, no? Sabog.
Hi, subscribe my channel. Labas mo yung channel.
Si Kaka.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Tingnan natin yung ilog dito, guys. Sobrang ganda. Ano? Hi, guys. Ha? Diyos ko, alak agad siya. Bili kami ngayon ng ulam namin mamayang gabi, di ba?
Siya nabibili ng ulam eh. Ikaw na lang sa alak. Sabi mo.
Chichi ka.
Walang lakas ng ulam.
Si Madam, oh. Sobrang OA, oh.
Lalabay ko!
Gogo kita isuso. Sis, kaway-kaway kayo kunyari. Hindi dito, drone ko kayo. Kaway-kaway.
I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the pond. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Feast is the spot. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time.
Swerte yung ganyan, tanga.
Ano swerte? Tang ina mo. Wala nang swerte dito. Tama na. Sis, wala ang video, sis. Bakit ba inaano siya pag-video? Basta na itong baboy, oh.
Mamaya na, pasit-kasit naman muna eh.
Our Ong Farm. Sino ka sa Ong Farm?
Si ano?
Si Mape? Ito si Mape ito si Tita Janice. Tita Janice. Binyas.
Lampayan.
Lampayan.
Hello!
Hello, si Jeyo, oh.
Lolo, oh. Lolo po.
Baka mag-vlog tayo. Tapos mamaya magpo-promote kayo ng mga paninda nyo. Oo, gagabi kayo peanut butter.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Hi guys, dito kami ngayon. Habang naghintay kami ng jeep, may palibreng pagkain dito sila tatay. Grabe, sobrang bait nila dito guys. May palibre silang kape at tinapay. Grabe, number 1 po siya.
And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Kahit